What is LinkedIn marketing all about? LinkedIn marketing is the use of the LinkedIn platform to promote a business, a brand, a product, or a service. You can also define it as a collection of online marketing strategies that are more effective when applied on the LinkedIn platform. But what is the LinkedIn platform? And what makes it great for online businesses and marketers? Let's find out. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a social media site for professionals and businesses. It offers the same social features that you'll find on other popular social media platforms, with a focus on professional content, business information, and career development. How does it work? Contrary to other social media sites, LinkedIn doesn't encourage casual interactions and entertainment. In fact, LinkedIn offers a much more restricted social environment that encourages professional interactions and a heavy focus on business-related content, which works perfect for its intended audience. When you create a LinkedIn profile, you are prompted to include information that would be relevant in a professional setting, such as your work experience, your educational background, the languages you know and speak, and your career highlights. This information will help you to connect with other users, which create networks based on similar career paths instead of interests. You can also connect with companies as well as to create company pages. The key difference here is that you can use company pages to do actual business activities, such as contacting leads and finding recruits. LinkedIn also encourages content generation and sharing. The content that you can share on LinkedIn has to be content directly related to your industry, and that is relevant to your contacts. Other social media features such as groups are also intended to help users create a network of like-minded professionals working in similar industries and following the same career paths. In the end, LinkedIn is all about creating opportunities for people and companies to do business the easiest way possible. Why should you consider LinkedIn for marketing? LinkedIn is a much more focused platform that makes it easier for people to market a brand or products because that's what the platform is all about. By creating a profile that highlights your authority and sharing content that is highly relevant to your industry, you'll be able to build a network of real people that will grow interested in your offers. Another great advantage of LinkedIn marketing is that the platform is very good at detecting spammers and fake businesses, which means that you don't risk getting your content made irrelevant by a saturation of poor content, unlike in other platforms. What benefits can LinkedIn bring for marketing your business? Creating a company profile for your business on LinkedIn provides you with credibility that is unparalleled by other platforms, where anyone can create low-quality company profiles to deceive customers. Quality and trust matter on LinkedIn, so this is the best place to build an online presence for your business. LinkedIn makes it easy to identify, qualify, contact, and capture leads. This is because everyone specifies their strengths in their profiles, so you'll know in advance what it is they are looking for and what type of products or services matter to them. LinkedIn also streamlines communication with leads because it encourages direct, to-the-point communication about the business at hand. LinkedIn also has an advertising service that is perfect for any business because it is cost-effective and lets you hyper-target the audience that you want to reach. What's the future for LinkedIn marketing? Almost 80% of marketers agree that LinkedIn is the most effective social media platform for marketing, which means that more and more brands, including yours, will be joining the site in the future. Also, LinkedIn is introducing slight improvements and changes to its front end that improve instant communication between users, which increases engagement. So, if you're ready to take your business-to-business results to the next level, then stay tuned, because we're about to get started. Step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool, what you need to know to dominate LinkedIn marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest LinkedIn marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what is LinkedIn marketing all about? Video number 2, setting up a LinkedIn profile that's optimized for business. Video number 3, creating an engaging company page. Video number 4, using content suggestions to find trending LinkedIn topics. Video number 5, creating effective LinkedIn marketing posts. Video number 6, sponsoring LinkedIn marketing posts the right way. Video number 7, creating and growing a LinkedIn group for prospects. Video number 8, using search to find and connect with leads. Video number 9, creating a LinkedIn traffic ad. Video number 10, creating a LinkedIn video ad. Video number 11, creating a LinkedIn messaging ad. Video number 12, the perfect step-by-step LinkedIn marketing plan for 2020. Video number 13, simple LinkedIn marketing hacks to grow your B2B audience. Video number 14, tips for creating awesome LinkedIn native content in 2020. Video number 15, how to make the LinkedIn algorithm work for you in 2020. Video number 16, powerful in-mail strategies that work in 2020. Video number 17, LinkedIn marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18, LinkedIn marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, LinkedIn marketing success stories. Video number 20, LinkedIn marketing frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of LinkedIn on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training. LinkedIn marketing frequently asked questions. What makes LinkedIn marketing different from the rest of social marketing? The most relevant biggest difference is that LinkedIn is not entertainment-centric. LinkedIn is not a place to watch viral videos or laugh at the latest memes. It also isn't a place for casual conversation or heated debate. And even though it encourages a business-driven environment, it is not consumer-centric either. That makes LinkedIn marketing much more focused, and many marketers have a hard time adapting to it. The key to LinkedIn marketing, then, is that you can promote anything, as long as it drives value and opens the possibility of future business relationships. Are LinkedIn leads of higher quality than leads from other platforms? If you sell a product or service intended for business and for professional advancement, then yes, you will find higher quality leads on LinkedIn, especially if you work towards nurturing them. On the other hand, if you sell consumer goods or entertainment products, then you'll find better leads elsewhere. Can you drive sales on LinkedIn? Yes, you can generate sales from traffic and leads on LinkedIn, but you have to be aware of a few things. First, you can only use LinkedIn to sell products or services that offer either a novel way to generate money, such as innovative manufacturing equipment, or that drive professional growth, such as training or coaching. You also have to be aware that sales on LinkedIn don't happen immediately. You have to create a content marketing campaign around your product or service and to build awareness in your network beforehand. Is there a way to accelerate profits on LinkedIn once you start selling? Regardless of your objective, the only way to truly accelerate results on LinkedIn is to run ad campaigns. Even if you haven't made a sale, you can run ads targeted at key decision makers, so you can send them straight to your product pages, where they can see what your products are all about. Can you repurpose content or data from LinkedIn for other platforms? Yes. In fact, LinkedIn can be a goldmine of data and information that you can repurpose as content for platforms such as YouTube and Twitter. This is because you can find lots of up-to-date information about any industry on LinkedIn. Information that is useful to create explainer videos, news segments, podcasts, infographics, and so on. Is there a trick to keep a LinkedIn audience engaged? The trick to keeping your LinkedIn audience engaged is to stay active. In this regard, it works the same as other social platforms. The misconception is that because LinkedIn is a serious platform, then its users don't really engage much. The key is to keep consistent. That is, to post regular updates and content without sacrificing quality. Simply stick to a content calendar and post 2 or more times a day, at the same time every day, so your audience knows when to expect to see your brand in their feeds. That alone keeps you top of mind. What can you do to fix your ads if they're not returning your investment? The first step you can take to fix your ads is to monitor their performance on the analytics section of your ad manager after 7 days of a campaign start date. Then you can analyze metrics such as click-through rates, views, and sessions to see if people aren't responding well to your ad, to the content, or to the landing page. If you're not sure how to optimize your ads, simply compare your ads to ads from established brands so you can see what you need to fix. Should you stop running ads if you don't find a way to fix them? If you really want to grow your business on LinkedIn, then not running ads is simply not an option. Yet, if you're struggling to create successful ad campaigns, you can contact an advertising representative who can help you to optimize your campaigns through the LinkedIn Marketing Solutions section. Can you still get results from LinkedIn marketing if you run a business-to-consumer company? Yes. In fact, if you run a B2C company, some of the benefits you can get from LinkedIn marketing include name recognition, brand awareness, and thought leadership. And you can build it all on LinkedIn with simple activities such as showcasing company culture and curating content while you drive sales in other channels. What's the easiest way to find not only followers, but also potential clients if your company is in a very narrow niche? The easiest strategy in this case is to join groups and to create your own group for the audience in that niche. This strategy sometimes does work better than running ads because it's a long-term strategy that allows you to nurture your network until they become customers. And because it's a narrow niche, brand ambassadors down the line.